What's up, guys? What's going on? Well, today I'm recording this video because I want to share a little bit about why it's important to create content, right? And you have heard me talking about creating your online presence, creating Facebook ads, and these things are important. Don't get me wrong, are super important, but these are just piece of the puzzle, okay? As I mentioned before, there are different tools. These are tools that you need to understand how to use them together. But content for me is a really important piece of the puzzle. Why? Because in a nutshell, I consider that content is the foundation of your business. If you have high quality content, this can depend on the type of business that you have. If you have a restaurant, you need to create more high quality pictures, high quality videos. But if you're a service business, you're a consultant, a lawyer, it's more important that you create a valuable content, like teach people how to go from point A to point B, okay? But content in general is super important. Why? Because this is the foundation that's gonna help you that your sales funnels, your paid advertising that you're doing really be worth it. It's really gonna help you get good results. And I want to talk about this because the other day I was on a call with someone that was looking at my video. He scheduled a call and we were talking, and one of the recommendations I told him is to create content because he wanted to reach international clients. And he told me that no, I understand that content is important, but I don't want to create content. So man, and for me was okay, but what is your other solution? You having a call with me because you want me to recommend you what you should do, and creating content is the next step of your business, because he was doing great. According to what he told me, he was doing great with his business locally, but he wanted to get more clients outside of his country. So I told him, hey, you need to start creating content because this is really going to help you gain the people trust. Remember, there are 3 different steps that the user goes through. First, the first time that user see you, he's gonna know you. Then he's gonna start liking you because you have good content. And the third step is trust. You need to start gaining the user trust. This is the most important metric that is gonna help you succeed with your business. It doesn't matter if you have an online or offline business. Building trust is the key. Is an intangible metric that most business owners forget. Now, how you build trust? By creating content. Because let's say that you are a personal trainer and you want to start getting high quality leads. Let's say that you have a high ticket training where you provide a personalized training with all the diet, nutrition, and everything. So let's say that package costs $500. So you want to run an ad and you want to have your sales funnels in place and everything. But the first time a user see you, he's gonna click on the ad and he's gonna see your sales page. He might not get your product the first time, because remember, a person that doesn't know you, he won't get your product right away. It's really difficult. I'm not saying it's impossible, but it's really difficult. Remember that most people are skeptical nowadays, especially when you are online. So the first thing that person is gonna do is gonna go to your fan page, to your Instagram fan page, to your Facebook fan page. If you have good content, you're gonna convert that user. It might take a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, or even 3 months, but you wanna convert because the user is gonna start looking at your content. If you have valuable content, let's say the personal trainer, if you have different videos where you teach people how to do different stuff, lose weight, gain muscle, all the different things, the user sooner or later is gonna get your high ticket service, that is the personalized plan. But how you were able to do that? You close the gap between being a stranger to being a authority figure in the fitness niche market. So by creating content, you close the gap. It's super important that you start building content. If you have a service business, just record videos like what I'm doing. Let's say another example, let's say that you're a lawyer. Just record videos. Brainstorm different content ideas that your ideal customer might be looking for, and start answering those questions. And when you start running, let's say, ads, or maybe you're doing organic traffic, when that user, that potential customer find you, he's gonna engage with your content. He's gonna like what you're doing. Content is key. It's the foundation for your Facebook ads, for your sales funnels, for your email marketing, to really be worth it, to get really good results. So if you're not creating content, guys, then I encourage you to start doing it, because it's gonna be a game changer for your business. So basically that's it, guys. That is what I wanted to share with you today. And if you want to start building your online presence, you want to create a website for your service business, you want to understand how Facebook ads works, how to implement sales funnels, there's a link in my Instagram bio. Go check it out. Or if you want help, you want us to help you building your online presence, doing all these things, you can schedule a call at jordanvelasquez.com/call, and let's see how we can help you out. So basically that's it, guys. See you in the next one.